First of all, thank you for watching my video. இன்னைக்கு நம்ம வீடியோல apply the Taylor series which represent the function ஒரு question பார்க்கலாம். இதுல conditions ஒரு 3 conditions இருக்கு. First function நம்ம எப்படி எடுத்துக்கலாம்? Let f of z அப்படின்றது கொடுத்திருக்க function z square minus 1 by z plus 2 into z plus 3. Now check whether the given function is degree of numerator which is equal to degree of denominator. So first we divide. Consider denominator term z plus 2 into z plus 3. Solve this and change this into quadratic equation z square plus 5z plus 6. Then we divide the numerator and denominator using division theorem. Z square plus 5z plus 6 is divisor, z square minus 1. Now we divide this z square plus 5z plus 6. Change the sign, minus. Cancel out first term, second term minus 5z, minus and minus 6, which is minus 7. Take common out of minus of 5z plus 7. This is our remainder. This quotient f of z equal to 1 minus 5 z plus 7 divided by z square plus 5z plus 6. Quotient minus remainder by divisor. Then resolving into partial fractions. Solve this 5z plus 7 equal to a into z plus 3 plus b into z plus 2, z plus 2 into z plus 3. Here we have the same term, so we cancel out these two terms. Then 5z plus 7 equal to a into z plus 3 plus b into z plus 2. We are going to find the values of a and b. So I consider let z equal to minus 3, z plus 3 equal to 0, equal to minus 3. Take us equation 1. Substitute this z equal to minus 3 in first equation. 5 into minus 3 plus 7 equal to a into minus 3 plus 3. Instead of z, we substitute the values of z, so that 5 3s are 15 plus 7 equal to plus 3 minus 3, which comes 0. A of 0 is 0. Minus 3 plus 2 minus 1. So I put here minus 1. Then solve this, minus 8 we get. A of 0 is 0. Minus b. Minus 8 equal to minus b. Cancel minus on both sides. B equal to minus 8. The value of b is equal to 8. Then again consider the value of z must be minus 2. Z plus 2 equal to 0, which is z equal to minus 2. Substitute z equal to minus 2 in equation 1. 5 into minus 2 plus 7 equal to a into minus 2 plus 3 plus b into minus 2 plus 2. Minus 10 plus 7 equal to plus 3 minus 2 1. A of 1 plus b of minus 2 plus 2, which comes 0. The value of a is minus 3. Substitute the values of a and b in f of z. F of z equal to 1 plus 3 by z plus 2 minus 8 by z plus 3. Now we have the condition. First condition, when mod z less than 2, f of z equal to 1 plus 3 by mod z less than 2 means 2 is greater than mod z. So we take common out 2, 1 plus z by 2 minus 8 by less than 2, 2 is greater than mod z. Likewise 3 is greater than 2, so we take common out 3, 1 plus z by 3. Now 1 plus 3 by 2 reciprocal, it comes inverse 8 by 3, 1 plus z by 3 inverse term, so power minus 1. It looks like 1 plus x power minus 1. So we know this formula, 1 minus x plus x square minus x cube plus goes on. In this x, here we have z plus z by 2. Here we have z by 3. Now we are going to substitute this formula, expand this formula, then 1 plus z by 2, 1 minus, in terms of x we have to substitute the value z by 2 plus z by 2 whole square goes on. Likewise 8 by 3 into 1 minus, in this place we have x place we have z by 3, so we substitute z by 3 plus z by 3 cube and goes on. In this place we use Taylor series representation formula, that is summation n equal to 0 to infinity, first term minus 1 power n, x term z by 2 power n. Same to minus 8 by 3 into summation n equal to 0 to infinity minus 1 power n z by 3 power n equal to 1 plus summation n equal to 0 to infinity, we take common out this term into minus 1 power n, 3 divided by, here we have 2 power 1, here we have 2 power n, base are same, we have formula a power n into a power m, it comes a power n plus m. We use this condition in this place, we get 2 power n plus 1. Likewise 8 divided by 3 power 1, 3 power n, we add the powers of 3, so 3 power n plus 1, then we have z power n common. Okay, now this is our Taylor series form for condition mod z less than 2. Our second condition, 2 less than mod z less than 3. Take f of z equal to 1 plus 3 by z plus 2 minus 8 by z plus 3. 1 plus, here see the condition, 2 less than mod z. It means z is smaller than Here 2 is less than mod z. It means z is greater than 2. So we take common out z. 1 plus 2 divided by z minus 8 divided by, here we have condition mod z less than 3. It means 3 is greater than z. So we take common 3. It comes 1 plus z by 3. Now 3 by z, we take this term reciprocal, 1 plus 2 by z inverse minus 8 by 3 into 1 plus z by 3 inverse. It looks the same formula as 1 plus x inverse. We know this, 1 minus x plus x square and goes on. Expand this, 3 by z 1 minus 2 by z plus 2 by z square minus 8 by 3, 1 minus z by 3 plus z by 3 square. In terms of x, we have z plus 3 here. Now, we take the Taylor series representation, summation n equal to 0 to infinity minus 1 power n. In terms of x, we have 2 by z. So, this power n minus, similarly, minus 8 by 3 in summation n equal to 0 to infinity minus 1 power n. Here we have z by 3 in power n. So, we take common out, summation n equal to 0 to infinity minus 1 power n. We have 3 into 2 power n divided by z power 1, here z power n. We know a power m into a power m, base are same. We add the powers a power n plus m, the same z power n plus 1. Similarly, minus 8 by 3, 8 into z power n divided by, here we have 3 power 1, here we have 3 power n. So add the powers of 3, it comes 3 power n plus 1. This is our Taylor series form. The third condition is mod z greater than 3. We take f of z equal to 1 plus 3 by z plus 2 minus 8 by z plus 3. Mod z greater than 3, it means z is greater than 3. So we take common 3 divided by, here we have z plus 2. Z greater than 3, obviously greater than 2. So we take common 2, 1 plus z by 2, same, minus 8 divided by, here we take common of 3, it comes 1 plus z by 3. 1 plus 3 by 2, reciprocal term is, do this term in reciprocal, power minus 1 minus 8 by 3 into 1 plus z by 3 power minus 1. It looks the same formula, 1 plus x power minus 1. 1 minus x plus x square goes on. Expand this term using this formula, 3 by 2 into 1 minus, in terms of x we have z by 2 plus z by 2 square goes on. Likewise, minus 8 by 3 into 1 minus, here we have in terms of x z by 3. So I put here we use the Taylor series representation, summation n equal to 0 to infinity minus 1 power n, here z by 2 power n. Likewise, minus 8 by 3, summation n equal to 0 to infinity minus 1 power n, here z by 3 power n. Take common, summation n equal to 0 to infinity minus 1 power n. 3 dot z power n divided by, here we have 2 power 1, here we have power n. So add the powers of 2 n plus 1. Minus 8 into z power n divided by, here we have 1, 3 power 1, here we have 3 power n. Add the powers of 3, it comes 3 power n plus 1. This is our Taylor series. Thank you.